Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix if your YouTube Music 2025 recap is showing blank side, missing status or empty playlist. Don't worry, I will show you the easiest way to fix it using your iPhone. First thing, open the App Store and search for YouTube Music. If you see any update button, tap it. The 2025 recap won't load properly on old version of the app. Updating usually fix the blank slide issue instantly. Now swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone, pause and clear the YouTube Music app from the background. Then re-open it. Sometimes recap slides don't load the first time and simple reset or restart refreshes everything. One big reason your recap might be empty is because your listening history is turned off. To check, open your YouTube Music, tap on your profile icon, go to history, make sure pause watch history or pause search history is turned off. If history is paused, recap won't have data to show. Another common fix for that, open settings, go to Google, manage your Google account, go to data and privacy, YouTube history and turn it on. Your recap depend on the history stored in your Google account, not just the app. Now go back to your YouTube Music, tap on profile, tap on your recap, give it a few seconds to load. If your starts and playlist should now appear normally instead of showing blank slide. If it's still showing empty playlist, try clearing the app data. This removes glitch but keeps your account safe. That's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos.